Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bait casting rods for bass that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced angler, these rods will help you make the most of your fishing trips. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the One Bass Fishing Pole, a versatile rod made from 24-ton carbon matrix blank that ensures great sensitivity and performance. This rod is especially suited for bass fishing and other freshwater species, making it ideal for anglers looking to up their game without breaking the bank. The rod features multiple floating line guides for smooth casting and enhanced power transition, ensuring it performs like a one-piece rod despite being a two-piece design. The stainless steel line guides are corrosion-resistant, making this rod suitable for saltwater use as well. The superpolymer handle is not only lightweight, but also slip-resistant, giving you better grip and control, even in wet conditions. Its bright green color adds a unique touch to your fishing gear and makes it visually appealing. The rod handles artificial lures exceptionally well, making it a great choice for targeting bass, trout, or walleye. However, it may not offer the ultra-sensitivity of higher-end models, which is something to keep in mind if you're targeting finicky fish. Overall, the One Bass Fishing Pole is a solid option for intermediate anglers who want reliable performance at an affordable price. Its pros include a durable build, corrosion-resistant features, and comfortable handling, while its cons are its sensitivity and lack of premium features. If you're looking for a dependable rod for casual fishing trips, this is a great pick. Coming in at number 4 is the SEASIR Stream Fishing Rod, a travel-friendly bait casting rod with a unique design. Made with 40-ton carbon fiber blanks and multi-layer carbon cloth, this rod is exceptionally lightweight, weighing only 86 to 99 grams. The craftsmanship of the solid wood handle is a standout feature, providing a comfortable grip with a premium texture that's both stylish and functional. Its two-piece design ensures portability without compromising on sensitivity, making it perfect for trips to both freshwater and saltwater locations. The SEASIR rod features Fuji A O-ring guides, which help reduce line friction for smoother casting and prevent tangling during use. Anglers will appreciate its fast action and ultralight power, ideal for catching bass and other smaller species. This rod excels at transmitting even the weakest vibrations, making it easier to detect subtle bites. The carbon fiber reel seat ensures stable performance, but the ultralight design might not be suitable for bigger or more aggressive fish. If portability and aesthetic appeal are high on your list, the SEASIR Stream Fishing Rod is a great choice. Its pros include its lightweight build, smooth casting performance, and visually appealing design, while its cons are its limited power for larger fish and slightly higher price tag compared to similar rods. Overall, this rod is an excellent choice for anglers who value convenience and style. At number 3, we have the KastKing M1 Fishing Rod, a versatile rod designed for both casting and spinning techniques. This ultralight rod is made from premium 24-ton carbon fiber, ensuring durability and heightened sensitivity. It features Fuji OI guides, which are crafted to provide smooth casting and reduce line friction over extended use. The ergonomic carbon fiber handle is ultra-sensitive, allowing anglers to feel even the subtlest bites, ensuring no fish gets away unnoticed. The KastKing M1 fishing rod has a line rating of 2 to 6 pounds and a lure rating of 132 to 332 ounces, making it ideal for targeting smaller freshwater species like trout, crappie, bass, and walleye. Its ultralight power and moderate fast action make it a great choice for finesse techniques. However, the rod might struggle under heavier loads or when targeting larger species. The inclusion of a carbon reel seat further enhances stability and control, making it a comfortable and reliable choice for long fishing sessions. If you're an angler looking for precision and comfort, the KastKing M1 fishing rod is a compelling option. Its pros include excellent sensitivity, smooth casting, and a lightweight design. On the downside, it's not suitable for heavier fish and its ultralight power may limit versatility. Overall, this rod is perfect for anglers who enjoy finesse fishing and targeting smaller species. At number 2, we have the KastKing Crixus fishing rods, which are packed with features to enhance your fishing experience. These rods are made with CastFlex IM6 graphite blanks, offering exceptional sensitivity and power for a range of fishing scenarios. The stainless steel guides with zirconium oxide rings ensure smooth casting and durability, making this rod great for use with braided, monofilament, or fluorocarbon lines. The super polymer handles provide a comfortable, slip-resistant grip, even in wet conditions, making it ideal for extended sessions. The KastKing Crixus rods come in 17 different models, catering to various power, action, and length combinations. Whether you're targeting bass, trout, walleye, or catfish, you'll find a rod suited to your needs. The two-piece design makes transport and storage convenient, while the power transition system ensures the rod feels seamless despite being multi-piece. Performance-wise, this rod excels in both freshwater and inshore saltwater environments, but it may not be the best choice for anglers targeting larger saltwater species. The KastKing Crixus fishing rod offers incredible value and versatility, making it a top contender for anglers seeking a reliable multi-purpose rod. Its pros include its durable construction, wide range of models, and smooth casting performance. However, the two-piece design may lack the rigidity of a single-piece rod for some users. All in all, it's a fantastic choice for anglers who want performance without breaking the bank. Finally, at number 1, we have the Stik GX2 casting fishing rod, a crowd favorite and one of the most trusted names in the fishing industry. This next-generation Stik rod is built with Tech construction, combining graphite and fiberglass for unmatched durability and performance. The rod features an Stik clear tip, which enhances sensitivity and strength, making it ideal for detecting subtle bites while handling larger bass with ease. The GX2 boasts 5 durable Tough guides made from PVD-coated stainless steel, ensuring excellent corrosion resistance and reducing line fray. The full-grip EVA handle is lightweight and slip-resistant, providing superior comfort during long fishing sessions. The rod has a line rating of 8 to 20 pounds and a lure rating of 1/4 to 5/8 ounce, making it versatile enough for various bass fishing techniques. With a 10-year warranty, this rod stands out as a dependable option for both beginners and experienced anglers. The Stik GX2 casting fishing rod delivers exceptional value for its price and earns the top spot on our list. Its pros include its legendary toughness, excellent sensitivity, and impressive warranty coverage. On the downside, its design may feel a bit basic compared to higher-end models. However, if you're looking for a reliable, affordable rod with a proven track record, the GX2 is your best bet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on the top 5 best bait casting rods for bass. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Tight lines and happy fishing.